Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine beta. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. See children, write today's date beta. Today we will write our classwork. So you write your date in your classwork 21-1-2021. What we are writing beta? We are writing block 22 rights and duties. Today we will start our classwork beta. You don't have S4 in your workbook. So we will write our classwork. Take out your classwork and be ready now. See beta, now we'll start our classwork. See block 22, rights and duties. First what you'll write beta? You'll write first here keywords and your glossaries beta. So you have how many keywords and glossaries? You have 2 keywords and 2 glossaries. Then third bit what you'll write beta? Third bit write true or false. Let me read. You write in your reader with pencil beta. Every child must work to earn a living. False. It is not important for child to eat healthy food. False. Every child must be given medical care. True. Children should never ask questions to anyone. False. Children can be made to work in factories. False. So these are your true or false. First bit keywords, second bit glossary, third bit true or false. Next is our fourth bit beta. Now you write here beta like this. Fourth bit, question and answers. Beta first you tick questions beta first. Cut second one and write there first one beta. What is your first question? What do you understand by rights and duties? Cut third one and write second one. Which among the fundamental right is the most important to you and why? Cut fourth one and write third one there. Write about 2 fundamental rights. Cut fifth one and write fourth one there. Write about 2 or 3 duties that you have at home. Next, cut sixth one and write fifth one. Describe 4 fundamental duties that you think are most important. Cut 7th one and write 6th one. Describe the rights of a child. You have total 6 question and answers. Now, turn the page and tick answers now. Page number 136. Page number 136. Your first answer, first paragraph. Rights are things we are free to do. Duties are things we must do. Till do is your first answer. It is very clear. Now second question. What is your second question? Which among the fundamental right is the most important to you and why? Children, which is more important to you? You write here. Okay, fundamental right. See here, fundamental right is there, page number 136. This too you write beta. Direct, like this you write. Second answer, page number 136. We can go where we want within our country. We can say what we think is right. We can do any work that does not harm others. We can worship any god, we can follow any religion we want to. Till here is your second answer. You have 2 points. Third answer. Let us see third question first. Write about 2 fundamental rights. He is telling you to write 2 fundamental rights. You write here there are 2 fundamental rights. Third answer, page number same 136. We cannot force anyone to work. We can make children below 14 years to work in factories or other places. We cannot make children below 14 years to work in factories or other places. We can write and speak any language. We can preserve our own language, folk dance and music. We can take the help of the court if somebody stops us from using our fundamental rights. Till here you will get 3 points. Third answer, 3 points. Next, fourth question. Write about 2 or 3 duties that you have at home. This answer you write with your own. How you'll write? What are your duties? See here. We must respect our elders. Next to other two duties, we must obey our elders. We should not trouble our parents. Like this, 2 or 3 points. Fourth answer, write with your own. Write about 2 or 3 duties that you have at home. What duties you have at home? You'll go and bring your milk packet, or you'll take care of your younger brother or younger sister. No? Any 2 or 3 duties. Fourth answer you should write with your own. Fourth answer, this is your own answer. No? Next, sixth one. See fifth question. Describe 4 fundamental duties that you think are most important. Page number 137. Page number 137, you have your fifth answer. From here you write. A duty is something we must Page number 137, you write like this beta. First one, fundamental duties are, then you copy this beta. This first line, 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Okay. Next is your sixth question. What is your sixth question beta? Describe the rights of a child. Describe the rights of a child. See here beta. Turn to page number 138. Before starting this, you write beta sixth answer. Page number 138. The rights of a child are, and you write this points beta. Okay? Understood beta? Let me show you once. First bit you will write here keywords, 2 keywords and 2 glossaries. 1 minute beta. 2 keywords, 2 glossaries. Then you have true or false. 5 true or false. Third bit. Fourth bit, your question and answer. Fourth one is your own answer. Cut second one and write first one. Cut third one, write second one. Cut answers, cut question numbers like this and write this proper question numbers. Total you have 6 question answers. Turn to page number 136. Here, first para till here is your first answer. Then see second answer. See here third one. In one page you have 3 answers. Next to page number 137, you have your fifth answer. Fundamental duties are, you write like this. Fundamental duties are, then you start writing beta. Okay. Fifth answer is from here to here. Fourth answer is your own answer. Next is fifth one. Till this one. We must protect our country in time of war. Till here you write. Your fifth answer. Next is your sixth one. Last one. Page number 138. The rights of a child are, you keep like this and start writing. Okay children, hope you all understood. Okay, write like this neatly, and what you will do next? You have total 6 question answers beta. That's it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Complete it beta.